playing Grow a Garden, and I take off the audio so you can hear me. It's pretty noisy. I'm outside playing, so don't mind the noisiness. I'm giving away dragon fruit and beanstalk. Who wants it? Comment their username. Probably some piece mushroom. Okay, and there's nothing there. Let's bring this one's a mushroom. That's all I want. And a cocoa, pepper, grapes. That's all I wanted. Petri. No. I only want to give away some of my fruit. My best fruit that I have. Probably 2 beanstalk. This. Yeah. Let me check what is more expensive. Let me get my beanstalk. That's my first. I actually got my beanstalk from a dog. Yeah, not lying. Well, they have this red, but pink lily don't have. How much is that pink lily? In 3, 2, 1. How much is this? $126. Remember, 1,000. 126,000. Okay. 126,000, and this is a wet purple kahula. Well, this is the top one, or maybe not the top one. Okay, let's see. So wet purple day dahlia is the best one. They know wet beanstalk. That's pretty crazy. Just got it. And
That's right.
I'm pretty much Tagalog. Yes, I'm Tagalog. And giving away some pets as well, because I have a lot of pets. I want to give away to only 2 subscribers. Whoever comments first for a pet, I'm giving them. And add, put your username in the comment if you watch this. Giving away if you play Grow a Garden. If you're new and still playing, I can give you. That was my mom, if you heard her. Wow, that was a big dragon fruit. Yes, small dragon fruit. How much have it? It's pretty big. And I really want to give away everything. Probably not everything. Okay, let's get all that. This. I don't know what is that. Can you please slow the video down and tell me what it is? It looks like everything. things. It's like crazy. But hey, I don't mind it. Keep giving me it. You can climb this. You guys didn't know that you can climb a mango. Wait, I need to go to the gear shop. I have a lot of sprinklers. If you want some sprinklers, do what I did, what I say earlier. Giving away, why not? I have a lot. I do not mind. See? It's in my inventory. Gonna get for this legendary. Nothing good. And I have bageg. I got a spare. I think no, it's much better. I'm lagging. Wow. I need some flour. That's lagging. If you didn't watch my other video, I have very hidden secret base. You can hear my boy giving away a lot of things.
Ang harap dun.
Sorry for FK. My mom asked me something to do. What is this? Oh, a pepper. Ooh, I'm not getting. What the heck? It's a big tomato. That's a sharp mango. Let me see how much that is. Tomato it is. How about that though? Gonna get everything yet. Shut it off. I'm getting everything. Right? Might be a while to get everything, but really want some Robux, but I only got 6 Robux coming from Please Donate. If you guys want me to make a video in Please Donate, like if this hits 5 likes, I'm doing it. Okay, let's sell my inventory. Please. 1 billion, please. 7 million. That's pretty big. Realizing. But that's all for today. Goodbye.